Delicious butter. It's one of those ingredients I can't live without. I just love it, salted or unsalted. And I'm going to show you how to transform one block of butter into a delicious flavoured butter full of herbs, mustard and peppercorns. And this is fantastic on any type of grilled meat, even schnitzel. So into a small food processor, we're going to add our flavours first. I've got some pink peppercorns that I've drained from the brine. You could also use green peppercorns for this, some mustard, Dijon mustard preferably, the zest of 1 whole lemon, and you want a good amount of garlic that's been freshly minced. Now onto the herbs. I was lucky enough to find some chervil. It's got a really mild flavour. I'm just going to roughly chop it. And this can also go into the little food processor. Chives, again, just chopping. Pop them in. And then for the parsley, a bigger amount of parsley, so a generous handful of that. Scrunch it up and just run your knife through it a few times. All right, now the lid goes on and I'm going to finely chop all of these ingredients before we add our butter. All right, that's looking good. Oh, it smells fantastic. Now onto the butter. I'm using an unsalted, certified organic butter, so it's a great quality. And this one's 100% Australian owned too. And have a look how soft it is. So I brought this out of the fridge a good couple of hours ago. You don't want it to be too firm because it won't blend with all the other ingredients. So soften the butter, and I'm just going to cut that into 4 pieces. And you want a whole block, so 250 grams of this delightful butter can go in, and a really good pinch of salt. Okay, lid goes on, and I'll blend this again until we've got a beautiful, smooth, paste-like consistency. All right, look at this stunning whipped butter. Now, if you like, you can pre-do this. Pop this in a little bit of cling wrap and you just roll it into a cylinder. You can place it in the freezer and it'll last for 3 months. And all you need to do is just cut off little chunks of it to serve with your steak or chicken schnitzel. This works really well with it, particularly if that schnitzel's piping hot. And my little trick is just to place your spoon into some boiling water. And this will just ensure that we get a lovely big spoonful, and we're just going to dollop that on the top. Maybe some chips on the side, some roast potatoes, some peas, yum. And I guess the beauty of it is just waiting and watching that gorgeous butter melt into that chicken schnitzel. Enjoy.